My name is Paula, and I am the garden coordinator for Tofino Community Food Initiative here in Tofino at Wickaninnish Elementary School.
About 5 years ago, we decided to take on the school garden programming, and we did that because we wanted to see the sustainability as well as the consistency that we would be able to provide to the programming, and having someone dedicated to taking care of the gardens and also teaching the children.
Our programs have expanded since then. In the last 2 years, we've brought 10 more programs on board. Currently, there are 6 in-class programs, 1 hour long, once a week.
It connects to the curriculum so well. In kindergarten, we talked about plants and the plant life cycle, healthy eating, and this is a really hands-on way for our students to get involved in that and see it happening before their eyes.
They learn about the soil, the biodiversity. They learn about all the critters that live within the gardens. They learn about what grows well here, what doesn't grow well here, from kale to garlic to leeks, all of the wild berries that we have in our food forest.
I think for me, being a very beginning green thumb, it's been great to get some more experienced people to help out with the garden program and just to have a space outside that they can work on.
So having Paula be that consistent presence in the garden provides the teachers with some support and guidance when they bring their children in the garden.
The best thing. Essential for especially people like me, and sounds like Garrett too, that are very new. To have Paula leading and me learning each year some more about all of those things is amazing. She can kind of problem solve where I might just have to toss it. She can kind of save those things. She teaches me as we go. Yeah, it's essential.
They know when they come into the food forest that it's somebody's home. They know that bees and slugs and caterpillars and birds live here.
Kind of like real life lessons where if you don't take care of something, it can start to fade away and wither, and it's like a real lesson.
As a result, they are learning how to be kind. Every day they're walking around the food forest asking, Paula, can I eat this? Paula, can I try this? So there's so many variety of vegetables that they're trying.
A lot of our students don't have a lot of exposure to a variety of foods, and so to see them come into especially the food forest where everything is edible and their just willingness to try absolutely everything is amazing.
I always had this vision that this space would be for the community as well. Now we have the seniors in the garden as well, so it brings them in and connects them with the children, and we also have the volunteers that come weekly, and they also get to share in the beauty and joy of providing this space and caring for this space for the children.
Not everybody grows a garden anymore, and it's really nice to do things with the kids so that they learn how to plant a seed and see it grow, and eventually maybe pick the fruit, make a salad from the lettuce. And it's just nice to do those things and have something that the whole family can do together. It's just kind of a nice social setting in a town that really doesn't have much for seniors. So it's been really delightful getting to know the other women in the group.
So now looking into the future, we're hoping that we will be able to continue to provide this programming to all the children in the school.
To have a program like this is just strengthening our community in the end.
We are growing gardeners. We are growing farmers. We are growing stewards of the land here at the food forest. They are excited, they are engaged, they are stimulated, and they are getting filled top with healthy foods in their belly to keep them going throughout the day. And they are our most valuable resource.